Julian's hiccups. Julian, you got any more hiccups in there? Yeah? There's one. Who are you with? Uncle Sam! Yeah. Can I help you with those little hiccups?
This is already kind of dry. My hair's not been good here.
Uh-oh.